Which legend is Nike paying tribute to with their new release? Is it smart to use bots to secure a new drop? And could a turkey-inspired shoe really be this week's hottest release? I got all those answers and a whole lot more on today's episode. Let's get it. Hey, coming to you from the still empty complex offices in an empty Times Square, I'm Rex Hogan, aka the Stylish Stoner, aka your kid's favorite role model, aka Mr. Get It Done, and we have a action-packed show for you. So let's stop wasting time and get right into the question of the week. All right, now, coming up in a few days is one of my favorite shopping holidays of the year, Black Friday. That's the time when, brands come up with extra cool, products to push traffic to their sites and move things that may have been sitting throughout the year that they want to get rid of. But a lot of times they come out with exclusives that are very hard to get, and people have enlisted, the help of computers to secure these drops. So question of the week actually is about those computers. What are bots? And is it smart to use them when trying to secure a drop? First of all, let me tell you what a bot is. A bot is a computer program, an extension that you add on to your browser, and it has all your shipping, credit card information in milliseconds. When something drops, you just hit a button, 1, 2, done, okay? And you check out faster than anyone can do it manually. I don't really like that method because it's like a kind of an unfair steroid advantage. So I don't really like that, but some people, they do what they gotta do to get what they gotta get. I don't think it's really smart to use a bot because retailers are hip to it. They will cancel orders if it seems that it was botted out or a bot was used to check out. So just beware. It's always better to just try to get on the ground if you can, sign up for a raffle at a local store that's close to you and just, get it the old fashioned way. Go down on the streets and pick up your stuff. That's my advice on it. So moving right along, let's get into this week's drops. All right, now in October, I kind of feel like sneaker brands dropped the ball. They had a whole opportunity with Halloween and I wasn't really impressed. But Nike is not dropping the ball with Thanksgiving. That's right, we got the Nike SB Concepts Turdunken dropping. Now, if you want my honest opinion, it's a cool shoe. And what's actually really cool about it is the packaging. It comes with like a whole little turkey kit set up. You get like a turkey, the cool box, and all of the extra added bells and whistles, which means that this is gonna definitely be something that you're gonna wanna have on your radar, sign up for if you live somewhere where the shoe is being released, even if you're not, hell, sign up on Sneakers app and try to get it, because the price tag on these are going to go up, up, up. You can look for prices to go for at the least $600, if not, maybe a comment in there and $1,000. If it does anything like the Chunky Dunky, with a special package included a tub of ice cream that the shoes came in, this is no different. You might see a very high resale on the market. Now, moving right along. Adidas is jumping into the gaming world. That's right, with streamer Ninja. He has his Adidas ZX 2K Boost time in, all right? Ninja is fire on the screens, he's fire on the sticks, but I'm not too sure he's gonna be fire with the kicks. The retail on these is $180, and I mean, unless you're a diehard Ninja fan, somebody that's like really checking for his stuff, I don't see these having a really big resale. Not saying that it won't be a success for those that are fans of Ninja, just saying for those that are fans of their bank account, looking to flip stuff, this might not be the one that you wanna jump into. So I'm gonna put Ninja on the nay list right here. I mean, at a retail 180, how much are you really expecting to get back for a model like that? Now, finally, we got Nike paying tribute to one of the greatest of all times, Kobe Bryant. They're gonna be dropping the Kobe 5 Bruce Lee. All right, now, if you want my honest opinion, grab these. And I'm not gonna say it for you to grab them because it's the resale. I'm saying grab because of the legacy of one of the greatest basketball players of all time, all right? I'm not even gonna put a resale because we know what Kobe Bryant does, so you know what, being that Kobe's legacy is so great, that's above me. And if you're a real fan of it, don't resell it. Buy it for retail and keep it. That's my honest advice. Here at The Flip, yeah, we all about your bank account. We all about, making, the best flip, but I'm all about the right thing too. So I can't honestly say in good faith, knowing that there's gonna be fans out there that really, really, really want the shoe, to resell it. So I'm not even gonna give you what it's gonna do, because it should go to the people that want it. So that's gonna wrap it up for this week's Drops Squad! All right, now, as I referenced earlier, This year's Halloween drops really didn't live up to what I expected. And one shoe in particular that we actually talked about was the Air Max 97 Halloween. Now, it had a retail of like $180, and now I see it going for like $230. So, I mean, $50, if you bought 10 pairs, I guess you made 500 bucks, but you had to put out a hell of a lot of money to make that 500 bucks, which goes to show that sometimes a holiday inspired drop doesn't always mean an easy trip to the bank on the flip. So just be careful on the things that you do choose to invest in terms of collaborations, and be mindful that just because this holiday drop came and went, don't mean it's not gonna be another holiday drop to come and go. So be careful. Until next time, I'm your host, Rax Hogan. This is The Flip. I'm out of here.